So what we're going to do today is basically practice or try to make the best we can out of a snowflake that looks like an actual close-up snowflake, like these were taken with photography, macro photography. So instead of just drawing one line, you need double lines or shapes for everything. This just shows the beginning. So here's one that I was working on to give you just a slight idea. But yours can look so many different ways as the weather and the humidity and all different types of things in the atmosphere are what predicts the way the snowflake will be shaped. So basically you can do it almost any way you want to. But the thing we do start with is a vertical line and a dot in the middle, because a snowflake has 6 points. Okay, so that would be 1, 2. And then if you put an X, try to make it diagonal right the way through. And the same kind of slant. I'm trying to do my best, but again, this is more of a practice for what we're going to do with it next time. So now I have 6 points. You can use a circle to trace, but it's not necessary. As a matter of fact, this is only the center circle, and I'm just going to sketch lightly. Always sketch lightly. That means barely touch the paper with your pencil. You see I'm doing it on the side so it doesn't make a sharp line that goes deep into the paper. And mine's a little lopsided, so if you feel you want to make it a little more perfect, you'll be able to erase and just add on here and there. My bottom's a little big. I'm going to leave it at that. The next step would be start something in the middle. So if you make a straight line going to each one of those vertical and diagonal lines, you'll get a shape, a hexagon. But if you draw a circle first, very, very lightly, it may come out a little more even because you'll follow where the circle is. Came out a little more even than my last one. Okay. Now, remember how we said we need double lines? So if I imitate that triangular shape in each section, now remember, this is only an example of how to make it a double lined and not just straight lines. Then I would erase the guidelines inside and have my first crystal in the middle. So again, making the arms, we call them arms, is fine for a guideline, and you should make them lighter, but then you're going to add other arms and shapes and make it symmetrical. So if you do one on that side, you will do it on the other side, okay? I'm not going to keep going because, well, for one thing, this is going to be a flat shape. It's already full. I don't have to double it up. This whole thing will be part of the crystal. However, these lines will need to be doubled up. Okay, so you're building yours your way. This one I might go like that and erase the middle. Let's see what you come up with. I hope you have fun.